What meals support burn fats? Nuts. Glass mason jars on wood desk stuffed with nuts, including cashews, almonds, hazelnuts, pistachios and walnuts. Nuts are very nutritious. They are excessive in protein and just right fat, which can be each precious for offsetting hunger over long durations. Importantly, individuals can contain nuts into a healthful food regimen without gaining any weight. For illustration, one learned from 2011, released in the Journal of Vitamin and Metabolism, discovered that together with nuts within the weight loss plan over 12 weeks led to improvements in food regimen mice, with none weight gain. Oily fish. Fish is a style of healthful meals that involves central omega-3 fatty acids. Oily fish comparable to salmon are chiefly high in lengthy chain fatty acids which can be tricky to find in different places. Fish is also high in protein. Dietary protein can offset starvation, and it is in principle instrument for weight reduction. Yogurt. Yogurts can range in their nutritional content material. Simple yogurt, akin to Greek-style yogurt, is the most healthful. It contains a sort of nutrients, minerals, and probiotics. Yogurt additionally includes distinct varieties of protein, akin to casein and whey. Again, knowledge from 2014 that appears in the Nutrition Journal indicates that eating high-protein yogurt can have benefits for appetite management, offsetting hunger, and decreasing total food intake. Break-up peas. Cut-up pea and lentil stew or curry with chili. Split peas are a healthful source of power and a versatile ingredient. Peas are high in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They also contain intricate carbohydrates, which are an excellent source of energy. Cut-up peas additionally contain proteins that may offset hunger. A 2011 gain knowledge of that appears in the Nutrition Journal explains that the protein contained within split peas has a larger have an impact on decreasing starvation than whey protein from milk. Eggs. Eggs are wealthy in nutrition, minerals, and other nutrients main to wellness, record the American Heart Association AHA. They are excessive in LDL cholesterol, however there is no evidence to endorse that eating LDL cholesterol reasons high LDL cholesterol within the body. Eggs are also an pleasant source of protein and can support control appetite. A bee trained in the journal Nutrition Research discovered that eating eggs at breakfast had a constructive have an effect on controlling hunger and meals consumption later within the day. Chili peppers. Chili peppers contain the chemical capsaicin, which could have benefits for weight reduction. A 2012 systematic evaluate, released in the journal Appetite, shows that capsaicin may just expand fats burning and diminish urge for food. These effects could result in weight loss. Coconut oil. Coconut oil involves an excessive level of medium-chain triglycerides. This can be a specific kind of fat that may have a range of well-being benefits. A meta-analysis from 2015, which seemed within the Journal of the Academy of Diet and Dietetics, located that these medium-chain triglycerides might lead to weight loss. However, extra stories are wanted to verify the outcome. Many scientists think that medium-chain triglycerides can develop vigor consumption and reduce fat retailers. Inexperienced tea. Green tea has many health advantages, equivalent to aiding weight reduction. Inexperienced tea has many well-being advantages, equivalent to assisting weight loss. Inexperienced tea is a valuable supply of antioxidants and may have several health advantages. This kind of benefits includes weight reduction. An excessive high-quality overview from 2012, published within the Cochrane database of systematic reviews, discovered that inexperienced tea consumption led to weight loss in adults who had been obese or chubby. The quantity of weight loss was once small, however continuously rewarded throughout a few one-of-a-kind experiences. Adding fat-burning foods to the food plan. In some instances, it's viable to base a meal on a fats-burning food. For illustration, it will include oily fish akin to salmon with greens. A further option is to have eggs with whole grain toast for breakfast. For vegetarians and vegans, plant-based foods which might be wealthy in protein generally is a useful strategy to aid weight reduction. Mixing fats-burning meals reminiscent of break-up peas with different important sources of protein is a technique of doing this. Examples of this comprise break-up pea soup, or cut-up pea dal. It may also be helpful to choose fat-burning snacks such as nuts. Such snacks are more ready to meet hunger and manage urge for food than others, similar to chocolate or chips.